In today's business landscape, staying ahead involves constantly enhancing project management, time tracking, and invoicing. Yet, juggling multiple apps for these tasks can drain your efficiency and slow you down. This is why you need a versatile project management tool like Bonsai to streamline all these functions and consolidate your projects, clients, and team into one integrated, easy-to-use platform. Bonsai is a revolutionary project management and invoicing software designed to streamline business operations and automate workflows through its customizable invoice templates, time tracking, contract creation, and expense tracking tools. With support for multiple currencies and languages and seamless integration with popular payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, Bonsai makes invoicing and getting paid hassle-free for both you and your clients. What makes Bonsai unique is its all-in-one approach to project, team, task, and financial management. Bonsai consolidates all your critical business functions like project planning, task organization, contract signing, client communication, and revenue tracking into one simple, intuitive platform. From proposals to billing, Bonsai simplifies your workflow, reducing the need for multiple tools and subscriptions. Additionally, Bonsai goes beyond project management with its built-in accounting features. The platform automatically helps you log expenses, track invoices, and even generates quarterly tax estimates. Combined with its contract management tools, Bonsai provides a complete business solution that keeps you organized, financially sound, and focused on growing your business. In this in-depth Bonsai review, we're diving into the top benefits, standout features, pricing, and usability of the powerful project management tool. We'll explore how Bonsai can transform your project management, client management, and financial management. Plus, we'll share real user comments and testimonials to give you a comprehensive view of the software. So stick with us until the end of this video to uncover expert tips on leveraging Bonsai to boost your conversion rates with ease. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description below to try Bonsai for free and get access to its free unlimited project templates. What does Bonsai really do? Bonsai is an all-in-one project management software designed to revolutionize business operations by integrating project management, client management, financial management, and team coordination into a unified platform. From drafting contracts and proposals to overseeing every detail of your projects, Bonsai provides a comprehensive solution tailored to your business needs. Bonsai extends beyond streamlining your workflow. With features like client billing and revenue tracking, you can meticulously manage your finances while maintaining a complete real-time view of your business. As your business evolves, Bonsai grows with you. The platform's scalability ensures that whether you're handling monthly brand deals or expanding into new service areas, Bonsai adapts to your needs. Benefits and key features of Bonsai. Some of the benefits and unique features of Bonsai include: 1. Centralized project management tool. By organizing contracts, tasks, and invoices within specific project folders, Bonsai provides all relevant information in one place. This feature simplifies tracking and enhances efficiency, ensuring you stay on top of every project detail effortlessly. 2. Simple and effective task management. With Bonsai's intuitive task management, you can assign tasks, add descriptions, set due dates, and delegate to team members or collaborators with ease. This allows you to manage projects efficiently, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. 3. Contract builder and project templates. Bonsai's contract building features offer pre-written contract templates vetted by certified lawyers. This feature saves time, reduces legal risks, and allows for easy contract customization. 4. Automated invoicing and reporting. Bonsai's automated invoicing system takes away the headache of manually creating invoices. Once you've set up a contract with Bonsai, it automatically generates client invoices, incorporating important details like milestone payments or deposits. You can also automate recurring invoices and lock project files until payment is received. 5. Financial management tools. Bonsai allows you to track expenses, generate financial reports, and get a clear overview of your business's financial health. This gives you a complete picture of your business operations and helps you maintain financial control effortlessly. 6. Comprehensive CRM tool. Bonsai enables you to keep track of new and existing clients. You can create client profiles, view ongoing projects, and even invite clients to a personalized client portal to review project progress and invoices. This fosters better client relationships and ensures nothing is missed in your business dealings. 7. Team time tracking. With Bonsai, you can easily monitor how time is spent across different projects. You can generate timesheets, see real-time updates on your team's availability, and plan resources to ensure projects stay on track and within budget. Bonsai's pricing and plans. Bonsai offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 7-day free trial allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the starter, professional, business, and scale plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited project templates on all plans. Pros: streamline your workflow and save time by managing projects, tasks, and deadlines in one central hub. Gain a clear overview of project progress with intuitive dashboards that help you identify bottlenecks and stay on track. Organize, plan, and optimize project delivery with integrated tools. Track project hours accurately to understand resource allocation and optimize productivity. Manage all your clients, projects, and finances in one place from lead generation to payment. Accept online payments securely through Bonsai's integrated payment gateways. Automate your invoicing process to save time and reduce errors. Generate detailed reports on project progress, time spent, and financials to make data-driven decisions. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: you will need to sign up to Bonsai using the link in the description below before you can access its unlimited project templates for free. In conclusion, Bonsai combines project management, financial organization, and legal compliance into one easy-to-use platform. By saving you time, improving client communication, and ensuring you maintain financial clarity, Bonsai allows you to focus on growing your business. Bonsai stands out as the best all-in-one project and financial management tool for business owners and freelancers. With Bonsai, you can easily gain access to vital tools such as contracts and e-signing, proposals, scheduling, client forms, and task tracking. Bonsai goes beyond project management to offer you robust financial features like seamless invoicing and payments, accounting, tax management, and even banking integration. You can check the link in the description below to try Bonsai for free, with free access to unlimited project templates and CRM tools that will streamline your business operations. If you enjoyed this Bonsai review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.